Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
It took you that long, TBW, didn't it? It took you that long, TBW, didn't you? Dude! I just knew it!
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon.
I just knew it!
Out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2 a.m. Eastern.
See, I told you Bonita Beach to Englewood would be included.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Venice Inlet to 22 nautical miles southwest of Venice to 42 nautical miles west of Minnesota Key, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include M17 Reef, Englewood, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, M10 Reef, Venice Inlet, M16 Reef, Minnesota Key, Don Pedro Island, and Venice. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
262 and activate.
Oh my god!
And guess what? The scanner died right before the marine warning.
I filmed it again, you guys.
Yeah.
Literally. I'm not even joking.
There we go.
Will you shut up, Hannah?